Welcome to another episode of Friend Outdoors.
Welcome to today's episode of Turkey Season 23. My wife Angie is back in the blind, and you better believe I better make up for that last mishap that I had on the last hunt. I need to get a bird in here. I'm tired of being in the doghouse. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Okay, we got 3 down here in this holler, gobbling pretty good, and there's one back here behind us. So hopefully in the morning we'll be on them.
Mark came out here last night and roosted a gobbler down on the point. We got here early this morning and set up the blind, and now we are patiently waiting and hoping that we will be able to call him in.
This gobbler had hens with him earlier in the morning. We think they're just over the bank there. Notice he keeps stretching his head up to look to see if he can see him. But he wanted to come up there where he heard this calling to see if he could call some more hens down the road to him. This gobbler's about 100 yards from our setup. The camera makes him look so much closer.
We just had a gobbler come in at about 100 yards. He was out there gobbling and strutting, and we were hoping that we would be able to call him in closer for a shot opportunity, but to no avail. He heard some hens over the hill, so he turned and went looking for them down the logging road. Hi folks, this is what happened. I messed up. I had the gobbler come in over the hill in front of me and he caught me off guard. I was surprised. I got anxious, I got excited, and I took a shot at him while he was in full strut, which you should never do. Your best shot opportunity is when their head and neck are up, and I didn't wait. So I'm only human. People make mistakes, so all I can do is learn from my mistakes and hopefully come back tomorrow morning and be successful.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. It was very exciting. That Tom coming up there in that field, strutting, gobbling, he was spitting and drumming. It was just beautiful. My wife was not going to let me mess this one up. She called the shot. Things didn't work out the way we'd hoped. The bird got away, but we got memories and it was beautiful. We captured it on film. Not every hunt goes the way you hope, but that's just the way it goes in the woods. Now, stand by for a preview of our next episode.